Understanding the spectrum red light, meaning and causes. A solid red light on your spectrum modem indicates a no internet status, meaning your device can't connect to the spectrum network. This is a diagnostic signal from the modem's firmware. Several factors can cause this. Common culprits include physical issues like loose or damaged coaxial cables, which account for about 40% of cases. Equipment malfunctions, such as outdated modems, older than 2020 models, or hardware failures due to power surges, are also frequent causes. Spectrum recommends using DOCSIS 3.0 Plus compatible devices. Sometimes, service-related issues like account suspensions, billing problems, or local network outages are to blame. Network congestion during peak hours, typically between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m., can also trigger a red light. External factors, such as interference from nearby electronics, weather conditions affecting the signal, or even, although rare, cyber threats like DDoS attacks on cable infrastructure, can also be responsible. Let's walk through troubleshooting. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug your modem and router, if separate, for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnect them. This resolves about 60% of red light issues by clearing temporary glitches. Next, check all cable connections. Ensure the coaxial cable is securely plugged into the modem's cable in port and the wall outlet. If possible, test with a different coaxial cable. Check for modem firmware updates via the Spectrum app or website. Updates can fix bugs causing the red light. If these steps fail, contact Spectrum's 24/7 support through the app, phone, or chat for diagnostics. Technicians may need to replace equipment or investigate account issues. For advanced users, you can reset the modem to factory settings using the button on the device or check signal levels via the modem's admin panel, accessible through a web browser at 192.168.100.1. Remember to regularly check your cables and avoid overloading circuits to prevent future issues.